On Wren Meacham trail. I hiked all over the place trying to find this. I was told you reach it from the equestrian center. Well, I hiked up until the gate and went a little beyond. Did not find it. Went back to the Dalton trailhead. Oh, came up all the way up the mountain, almost on the ridge line. Finally found it. Now I'm too damn tired to take it out. Oh, bloody hell. Halfway there. And the contractor didn't do some work up ahead. I'm going to do that. That looks better. Contractor left it half done, but that's okay. I ran out of chain. I'm going to have to go and sharpen it. I did bring a sharpening kit, or no I didn't. It's back in the car. So, bloody hell. I'm going to have to come back tomorrow with a sharp chain. So we have a tripod. It's resting on 3 points. A broken end. I've cleared all of the clutter on the 3 points. So we just need to get a sharp saw